Here's how to enjoy hot meals on site or on the go.
My wife recently got me this HeatsBox, and let me tell you, my lunches.
This baby heats up your food in 25 minutes.
So I get to enjoy a hot meal anywhere, whether I'm on the road or on site. It's all battery powered. No microwave, no plugs needed. And I get to schedule the preheat time for when I need it using the app. Boom! Nice and fresh.
I feel like the richest guy in the world right now.
Damn. Do yourself a favor and check out HeatsBox.